Y'all, we live. Cause it's Vlogmas, yeah, cause it's Vlogmas. Yo, the energy's kind of off. As y'all can see, I'm laying in this bed trying to do some work. So over school, get me out of here. Ooh, maybe I should put on a better shirt. Right now, I'm reading for my legal writing class, and then I gotta study for property. Like, I really liked property, but I'm so over it. Like, I'm so over it. Like, words can't even explain it. So yeah, today is a very chill day. Not much is going on.
Yo, I got a pimple and I never get one of those. Can y'all see it?
You can zoom in.
I don't know how to work this. I'm about to go because, ooh, why is my arm so much lighter in my face? But yeah, school's coming to end and these teachers are tripping with these finals. Like, I didn't even have midterms on my class. Ow! It just pinched me. Take your camera.
Let me fix it for you.
No, I put my hand right here to hold it and it pinched me.
Let me tell you one thing about me. I am very directionally challenged. We are probably maybe like 10-15 minutes out from my house. I have never seen this area before. Literally, y'all, I'm not good with directions at all. I don't know how to get places. I'm looking around, I'm like, why had I never seen this place before? Like, ever. Right now we're in Harris Teeter picking up some groceries. Yeah, and I'm just like, bro, where the heck are we? Like, I've never been to Harris Teeter, nor have I been in this area before. And so I just came on here to tell y'all that your girl is very directionally challenged. Yeah, I'm back again. Did y'all miss me? Perfect aisle. Didn't need anything coming to Harris Teeter, but since we're here, I might as well get some whipped cream. I just need some whipped cream. So while my mom is shopping over there, I'm gonna get some whipped cream. I am in the coffee aisle, coffee tea aisle, so I feel like whipped cream should be in this general area. I don't know what's going on there. I don't have my tripod on the camera, so I don't know if that is the reason why, like, I keep cutting my face off. But they're at the holiday. They need the holiday one. If you guys are looking for whipped cream, where do you think it would be? Because I'm in the tea coffee aisle and I can't find any, y'all. I literally cannot find any. It's straight like Starbucks. Let me just show y'all. Ooh, child, my nail. It's like Starbucks, Green Mountain, more Starbucks. It's no whipped cream. It's not what I'm looking for. Ugh. Okay. Let's keep searching, you guys. Ooh, it's that dirty look she gave me. I don't like that. I don't like that dirty look. Don't you hate when you come to a grocery store for like 3 or 4 items and you literally end up with a full cart? I'm really mad about it because I don't want to clean these groceries when I get home, but I know I have to. Like, cleaning groceries to me is like the most tedious like part of Beauties. I'm in the kitchen, as y'all can see. Y'all can't see my face, and the lighting in here is trash. Like, I need to talk to my mom about that because this is 1000% unacceptable. About to make a little snacky snack or whatever. It's real simple. First you gotta wash your hands though, so I'm about to get into it. Yeah, I'm trying to show you one of my favorite snacks, but the lighting won't let me be great, so y'all just gonna have to look at it like this. Y'all can't see my face. Okay. Ooh, this is kind of too zoomed in. So basically, this is one of my favorite snacks. It's just crackers and crab dip. So the crab dip is the key component. Real simple, but if you don't have crab dip, it's just not gonna work. So I have some crab dip. This one is kind of salty, really good, just a little bit on the salty side. Before y'all go ahead and try to eat this snack, just be mindful of where you live. So I live in Maryland and our crabs are bussin', okay? Our crabs are delectable, torch, whatever vocab y'all use, that is what our crabs are. So if you're not from this area and y'all don't have crabs that are busting, eat this snack at your own risk. So I got my crab dip and I got some crackers, and that's just all I'm about to be eating, y'all. I'm actually not sure if I'm hungry or bored. I just know I needed to stop doing some schoolwork. So I'm just gonna take a couple crackers. How many should I eat? This is enough, right? Yeah, I think so. And then we gonna get some crab dippy. Y'all, ew. Did y'all hear that? That was like disgusting. Uh-oh. Here we go. Ooh, this looks so good. Does that... I almost dropped it. Does that look good to y'all? That actually looks disgusting on the camera. Yo, the lighting in here is bad, that's why, but it's good, I promise. Alright, y'all, so I'm just gonna put it on my plate. Oh yeah, I cannot have a cooking channel. This really isn't going well. And all I did was get some crackers and some freaking dip. Okay. I literally, bro. Okay, whatever. I can't. Bro, did y'all see that? Like, okay. Let me not even. So y'all not gonna tell me to get anything to drink? Like, ugh, that's so rude of y'all. I have some organic lemonade. It's actually good, okay? And I got it in this little cup. It's like a big shot glass. It's like bigger than a shot glass, but like smaller than your average cup. So cheers. Get your drink. Cheers.